Hi all. Hi all. In this video, we are going to see what is CSA and what is BPM, what is Pega. So, my motto is to start a YouTube video tutorial on Pega CSA development course. Okay, CSA means it is the first step to becoming a Pega developer. Okay, let me use the highlighters so that we can understand easily. Okay, yep. What is CSA? So we'll see. CSA means Certified System Architect. Okay, it is a certificate given by Pega. Pega will provide this certificate that provides you to know how to build business application using the Pega platform. What is Pega platform? I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, this is the Pega platform. It looks like this. So if I log into this, it will be loading. It will take some time to load because the server needs to set up. Okay, what's the this loading is done, I'll show you. Okay, let's go to the topic. Why CSA certification is important? Okay, there are three levels of certification: CSA Certified System Architect, CSSA Certified Senior System Architect, and LSA Lead System Architect. But the beginner stage is CSA only. It is the first step to becoming a Pega developer. It helps you to get a jobs with higher salaries. It shows that you understand how to design workflow and data models, UI, and automate the task using Pega. Okay, in CSC certification, what topics will cover? Workflows, data models, UIs, and automate the task using Pega. How to automate the task using Pega. Okay, so let me explain you. So let me show you how the Pega screen is. This is the Pega screen. Okay, this is the Dev Studio, App Studio, Admin Studio, and Production Prediction Studio. There are four types of studios here in Pega Studio. We'll develop our application in Dev Studio only. Okay, we'll develop our whole application in Dev Studio. In App Studio, who will develop the application? The business people will develop the App Studio application. The difference I'll tell you in next video. Okay, right. Let me come to this point. Where are we? Yeah, Pega is a BPM tool. So Pega is a BPM tool. So you need to know what is BPM stands for. BPM stands for Business Process Management. So the meaning is simply I write here. So you can why I created this folder means this file is I'll give you this file in description so you can simply by reading you can understand what I'm going to tell this in this video. Taking business process and turning it into a digital step-by-step flow. So whatever the application we created in Pega will follow step-by-step flow. Okay, will follow step-by-step flow. So see, for example, we want to create a student leave requester for attendance checking. So we will follow some steps like whatever the steps. These are the below steps. First student needs to apply the leave. Then class teacher needs to check and approve. If it is proper reason, he'll approve or otherwise he will reject. Then if he approve or reject, HOD will get the notification. Principal gives the final approval. It will go to the principal as for final approval. This is the small thing we can divide the student leave approval request attendance checking into step by step. So this is called step by step flow. Okay, these are the things step by step flow will be followed to create an application in Pega. Okay, simple. Don't worry about this terminology. Once we go to the real time project, then you will understand easily. So as I told you, Pega is a BPM tool. It helps companies create a app to automate business process without writing too much code. Pega is a low code platform. Who use Pega? So banks, hospital, insurance companies, government offices, colleges for attendance and student management. So so many companies or so many banks, so many hospitals, they'll use Pega application. So this is the real-time applications. I'll in this video series, I'm taking a project based on college requirement. Okay, I'll show you in Pega what we can do. We can design a screen, design a data tables, flows we can create, notifications we can send, like if the student is absent or if the student is applying leave, we can send the notification to the class teacher. If the class teacher approves, it will send notification to the HODs. If the student is absent, the it will send the notification to their parent, like that. Okay, we can track the task and approval. So whether the teacher is approved or not, we can track it. Whether the student is applied leave or not, we can track it. Those are the benefits, like a normal development only, but we can develop this without using any code. Okay, features of Pega: use AI rules to make business decisions. No code. As I told you, no code. Instead of Java coding, we can only use drop down options. I'll show you how to use the drop down options uh, once we come to the uh, you know real time based application design. We can design apps quickly because we don't need to write any code. High demand for Pega certification Pega developers. The salary range will be 16 to 15 plus LPA CSA certified developers. You can get this information in Google as well. Okay. In this YouTube series, you will learn we are going to build a project called, there is a project requirement, that is, in the college they have 5 departments. I want to capture a period wise attendance for students, and if he is absent, it will send a notification to the parents and and teachers, HODs, principal. And I don't want to take the attendance on Sundays and holidays. So I want to see whether faculty took the attendance or not, whether student apply the leave or not in dashboards and reports. Okay, this is my requirement. I am going to build this project in this YouTube series, and with that project I am going to explain this CSA concept for easy understanding. Okay, let's start the series. Until then, bye bye.